Hello innovators, welcome to DIY Robotics Lab's official channel. Today we will know about Introduction to Robotics. Okay, so are you excited? Let's get started. Let's break it. Robotics is a field of study and technology that deals with designing, creating, and using robots. Now, let's simplify it further. What is a robot? A robot is a machine that can do tasks on its own, without human control for each step. Robots can be designed to move, see, hear, and perform various actions. What is robotics? Robotics is the branch of technology and engineering that focuses on making these robots. It involves combining different technologies like electronics, mechanics, and computer programming to create intelligent machines. Why robotics? The goal of robotics is to create machines that can assist humans in various tasks, making things easier, safer, or more efficient. Robots can be used in industries, healthcare, exploration, and many other areas. Components of robotics. Electronics. The electrical parts that power the robot. Mechanics. The physical structure and movement of the robot. Programming. Giving instructions to the robot through code. Sensors. Devices that allow robots to sense the world around them. Applications of robotics. Manufacturing. Robots are often used to assemble products in factories. Healthcare. Surgical robots assist doctors in performing precise surgeries. Exploration. Robots are sent to places humans can't easily go, like deep sea or outer space. Everyday life. Robotic vacuum cleaners, drones, and smart devices are examples of robots in our daily lives. In essence, robotics is about creating smart machines that can do tasks autonomously, making our lives better and expanding our capabilities. Thank you.